I actually came into this industry by an incident, more or less. I was a customer at this company with the previous owner. And when he was close to retiring, I took over the company. My name is Morten Holm. I am the CEO of Moho Works. I'm also the owner. I have had the company for 12 years. We have the Moho Group consists of three businesses. We have the Moho Works, which is the production company. Then we have TNAC, and then we have Nordic Lab. The challenges we were facing with before was that we had so many systems, so it was the content was not updated. We had to move data from one system to the other, and all these manual operations was just killing us. So we have actually turned from being a very manual operation to having a high level of automation. Well, actually, since we are running three different operations with three different challenges, as the manager of the company, we have had a challenge to find a system, a platform, which could actually cover all the different challenges that we were facing. So that was the main motivation. But again, we also wanted to get rid of all the troubles we had and start all over to have something which was actually scalable. In this process, it's also very important to understand the business process, not just to be able to analyze, but you can actually understand the process and our need. And I feel that, or we have seen that it has been very smooth every time we had to do this with ForgeFlow. The reason for choosing ForgeFlow was that it was one system doing all the different operations that we needed to run the business. So it was all app-based, so we can keep on adding apps which solves problems in our daily work. Before, in the old system, it was just an Excel sheet which we were using as our document to send out everything. We didn't have any documentation. We didn't have the match of invoices when coming in. So it was we were kind of lost. So we lost track of the profit. So we see and we feel that we are much more efficient by using the ForgeFlow. One of the reasons for choosing ForgeFlow was also that the system is complying with the new bookkeeping act here in Denmark. So the old system we had was not. So therefore, choosing a new supplier, a new partner, it was important that it was compliant. The benefit of integrating the different departments in this system is that we see that we are gaining, the way we are working, we gain a lot of speed. Compared to what we saw before in our old platform, it was extremely slow. It was one box at a time. Now it's much more smooth between the different apps, between the different departments, and we really work much faster. The clear advantage by having an integrated system is to have just data one place. So you don't have to have data in all places which have to be updated. So it's pretty easy to get to know, to overview how things works. And it's adopted in all the different apps across the system. So based on that, we just added more functionality. And it has been extremely smooth, and we have had a very good dialogue, and we keep closing the issues and tasks all the time. If I should just describe with one word what has been our experience with ForgeFlow, it would be trustworthy.